Lock and unlock your door, grant keyless access and keep track of who comes and goes, all from the August app, from anywhere. August Connect Wi-Fi bridge included, so you get voice integration and remote access right out of the box. Keep your existing lock and keys. Simply attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Install in under 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Only August has Door Sense, a sensor that tells you if your door is securely closed or left opened. Unlocks automatically as you arrive. Never fumble for keys, shopping, bags, or kids when unlocking the door again. Auto lock can be timed to lock as the door closes. Add an August Smart Keypad for secure key code entry to your lock. Sold separately. Add an August Doorbell Cam to see and speak to visitors before you let them in with your August Smart Lock. Sold separately.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,